Welcome to Parks Pursuit. Today I'm at Great Smoky Mountains National Park. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to my channel. Today I am hiking the Alum Cave Bluff, which is 2.3 miles, and then I'll be continuing 2.7 miles to Mount LeConte. I'll put a link to the trail description in the description box below. At 1.3 miles into the hike, you reach Arch Rock. The trail climbs stairs through the arch, which was formed by freezing and thawing. The Alum Cave Bluff, actually a rock shelter, is about 80 feet high and 40 feet deep. It was used in mining operations throughout the 1800s. Established in 1925, the Mount LeConte Lodge is the highest inn in the eastern United States. It is only reachable by hiking. 5 separate trails all lead to the Summit Lodge. At 6,593 feet, LeConte is the 3rd highest peak in the national park. If you enjoyed this video of my hike to the Alum Cave Bluff and Mount LeConte, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel, Parks Pursuit. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.